Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. It's the most wonderful time of the year. We're about to make this holiday season the best ever and save you a ton of money. Get ready to unleash your inner crafting beast with 10 amazing DIY gift ideas. First up, personalized gift baskets. Forget those generic ones. We're going all out. Think about what the person you're giving it to really loves. Coffee fanatic? Gourmet coffee beans, a killer mug, maybe some fancy syrups. Foodie friend? Homemade jams, spicy sauces, or delicious baked goods. The key is to make it personal and thoughtful. Trust me, they'll be blown away by the thoughtfulness. Subscribe to our channel for more holiday enjoyment tips. Candles are always a winner, but handmade candles? That's next level gifting. Basic candle wax, wicks, and essential oils for that incredible aroma. Package them in cool jars, slap on a personalized label, and boom, you've got a gift that smells amazing and shows you care. Who doesn't love a delicious treat during the holidays? Grab some mason jars and layer in all the dry ingredients for your favorite cookies, brownies, or muffins. Tie on a ribbon, include a handwritten recipe card, and you've got a gift that's both delicious and interactive. Feeling extra crafty? Break out the knitting needles or crochet hooks. A handmade scarf is like a warm hug you can wear, and it shows you put your heart into the gift. Choose colors and patterns that match their personality, and watch their faces light up. Memories are priceless, so why not frame them in a special way? Grab some plain wooden frames and let your creativity run wild. Add a favorite photo or a meaningful quote to make it extra personal. Who doesn't love a little pampering? Homemade body scrubs are like a spa day in a jar. Simple ingredients like sugar, coconut oil, and essential oils for an amazing scent. Package them in pretty jars with a handwritten label, and you've got a thoughtful and luxurious gift. Start their day off right with a unique mug. Grab some plain ceramic mugs and oil-based paint markers. Create fun designs, write inspirational quotes, or personalize it with their name. Bake the mugs to set the design, and you've got a dishwasher-safe, personalized masterpiece. Ornaments are a classic holiday gift, but handmade ornaments? That's next level. Break out the clay, felt, or salt dough and get creative. Add glitter, paint, and other decorations. This is a great gift for families, as they can add a new, personalized ornament to their tree every year. There's nothing like curling up with a warm mug of hot chocolate on a chilly night. Homemade hot chocolate kits. Layer hot chocolate mix, mini marshmallows, and chocolate chips in mason jars or cute tins. Add a candy cane for stirring and some homemade cookies on the side. Get ready for the ultimate sentimental gift, a memory scrapbook. Gather up all those precious photos, ticket stubs, and other mementos. Add captions, funny stories, inside jokes, whatever makes those memories come alive. This is a gift that will be cherished for years to come, a tangible reminder of all the good times you've shared. And there you have it, 10 DIY holiday gift ideas that'll save you money and make you the most popular gift giver this season. Remember, it's about putting your heart into it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these DIY holiday gift ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Happy holidays and happy crafting!